right, let's take a look at this slide. Using the drawing and text tools, draw a rectangle with an area of 10 square units. Okay, so you already know what your total area is going to be, and you have to decide what your length and width are going to be of your rectangle. Okay, so this is where it's really important that we know our multiplication and division facts, because if you know area is multiplying your length and your width, then you know that your whole area is going to be 10 because it tells you your whole area is going to be 10. So then you know that something times something equals 10. A number times a number equals 10. And so I know I've said this a lot, but it is really, really, really important that you guys are practicing on reflex math every single day, because that is how we're going to learn our multiplication facts, okay? So I know that an area of 10 square units, I know that my rectangle, let me move this really quick because I'm going to run into the screen. Okay, so I know that I can have a length and a width 2 units and 5 units. All right, that is going to give you an area of 10 units squared. Okay, my rectangle could also go vertical with 2 and 5. That would give you 10 units. Oops, sorry about that. Ten units squared. Okay, so there's 2 different ways that you could have drawn a rectangle doing that. All right, so let's look at the next one. Using the drawing and text tools, draw a square with an area of 9 units squared. Again, really, really important that we know our multiplication facts, because if I know that, and again, it asks for a square, so you want to make that as close to the same size as possible. You're going to be using your mouse to draw, so it's not going to be perfect, but I know that 3 times 3 equals 9. Now, if you wanted to try to create a grid, you could. So 3, 1, 2, 3 times 3, which is 3 times 3, which equals 9. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there is your square with an area of 9 unit squares. Okay, you guys are going to have the chance to practice drawing some rectangles, knowing your complete area. All right.